In this era of the internet, everyday objects such as home appliances, cars, and medical devices are interconnected. These devices are intelligent enough to make decisions. IoT devices are highly dependent on cloud facilities to provide services. One of the key issues each IoT device faces is the latency. Distance between the cloud data centers and IoT device is the main reason behind latency. A platform between cloud and the IoT could resolve this issue. Researchers proposed a new paradigm, Fog Edge, to tackle this issue. But along with this new paradigm, new security challenges come into the limelight. One of them is device spoofing or impersonation attack. In this scenario, an attacker can use a new device or compromise another device to impersonate as a legit device to the network gateway. As a result, the adversary can get access to the network and then compromise other device or even the cloud infrastructure. Another problem arises in the network gateway, which is congestion in network gateway. In this scenario, attacker can use multiple compromised device or sensor to send uninterrupted, unsolicited message to the network gateway and exhaust its resource so that it cannot serve any other devices. From these network security challenges, we comes out with two research questions. How can we prevent device spoofing or impersonation attack? How can we avoid congestion in network gateway dynamically and efficiently? Our hypothesis is that a software-defined networking approach for fog edge network enables identity provenance preservation scheme for preventing device spoofing as well as dynamic network flow management for mitigating congestion. For preventing impersonation attack, identity provenance initiation and preservation can work really great. Our idea is to each device will be initiated with an ID and certificate, and then it will be saved in a public blockchain. When it's saved in a public blockchain, this record cannot never be forged. As a result, this device can never be impersonated. To avoid network congestion, we introduce software-defined networking approach to the fog edge communication. Using software-defined networking approach, by utilizing network controller, the fog edge communication network can avoid congestion dynamically and efficiently. Our preliminary experimental results also show that we can avoid impersonation attack as well as network congestion using our approach, and we do not face any significant performance issue with it because we can even reduce the data transfer delay and network as uses.